Welcome back and thanks for joining us on this Wednesday. Meteorologist Lauren Kreidler here with you, and we are tracking some rain. I know we haven't said that in quite some time, but we are tracking this area of showers and storms, a line of it, headed towards our area with a cold front. So we'll see some cooler air for tomorrow, but for now we're just tracking this rain working its way slowly towards us here in Southwest Florida. But notice all those lightning strikes. In fact, I just looked and we have over 100 lightning strikes out in the Gulf of Mexico as that line continues to push near our area. So when we're talking about timing, our areas to the north can expect to see activity from around now until about 1 o'clock this afternoon. Our areas in Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Bonita Springs, and inland areas from there around 12 to 3 o'clock. And then if you're in our southern areas like Collier County around 2 o'clock to about 5 o'clock, then we'll start to see things wrapping up. Again, this is a line of showers and storms. As soon as that line passes through your area, you'll be seeing much drier conditions on the other side of it. Temperatures right now across Southwest Florida starting out yet again on a warm note. We are already, mind you, it's only 10:13 in the morning, already at 80 degrees in Lehigh Acres, 78 in Northport, 78 in Bonita, 75 in Clewiston, and 77 in Golden Gate. Not going to warm up all much more this afternoon, just going to stay nice and mild and warm this afternoon with those temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s, 82 for Ave Maria, 82 for Babcock Ranch, 78 for Cape Coral. So we'll have that brief line of showers and storms, and then by this evening, we'll actually start to see things turn a bit cooler. Those winds out of the south and then shifting northwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour. So let's time out some of those showers and storms looking at future track. This is around noon. You'll see I'll be tracking a couple of spotty showers on our Wink News at noon show this afternoon. And then that line will continue to work its way to the south by 2 o'clock. Notice Port Charlotte nice and dry now. And that line will continue to work its way through our area 3 o'clock. See that line stretching now towards Naples, Fort Myers in the clear. And then it'll continue to work its way south. Look how much drier we are by this evening. 5, 6 o'clock, we'll be seeing much better conditions, drier air moving behind this cold front and cooler air nonetheless. So we'll notice a drop in those temperatures, drop in the humidity, and drier air filtering in for your Thursday. So for today, topping out around 79 degrees, scattered showers and storms with a nice breeze. Then come tomorrow. Tomorrow morning is going to be a little bit chilly yet again with mid-40s as far as our temperatures go. Struggling to get out of the 60s for those highs, and then we warm up rather quickly by Friday and into the weekend with those highs back into the low 80s with sun and clouds. Meteorologist Lauren Kreidler here with you. We're tracking that line of showers and storms that's starting to push its way through our area. Notice all those little white dots. Those are each individual lightning strikes. I just calculated it. 183 lightning strikes along that stretch of showers and storms that will eventually work their way towards our area. Already seeing some light rainfall in some of our areas to the north. Port Charlotte seeing that rain quickly moving through. And then further out, we're tracking some heavier rain just offshore, about 10 miles offshore of Venice. Looking at our Punta Gorda live camera, you see it shaking a little bit, and you see those pickleball courts are slightly wet. We're not seeing any pickleball players out there. Temperatures right now in the mid to upper 70s to low 80s across Southwest Florida. 84 in Ave Maria, 80 in Punta Gorda, 78 in Arcadia right now, and 82 in La Belle. So we're not seeing those cool temperatures that we've been talking about just yet. That will come tomorrow morning when you wake up. Don't be surprised when you step out the door and those temperatures are in the 40s tomorrow morning. But for now, today, we're warming up into the upper 70s to low 80s. Notice those thunderstorm icons for the next few hours as we're tracking that line of showers and storms. Then by this evening, when we're on the backside of those showers and storms, that line, we'll notice much drier, less humid air behind it, and temperature is quickly falling. But let's look at that future track to show you that line of showers and storms that will work its way through our area around 2 o'clock, making its way into Lee County, continuing to push its way through our area, our inland areas around 4 o'clock. And once this line passes through your area, notice how much drier it is behind it. So we're not talking all-day rainfall or anything. We're just talking about this line that will continue to work its way through our area. And then again, drier behind it, blue skies even as we get throughout the later parts of the afternoon once it passes through your area, primarily for areas to the north. Tracking colder air, though, behind this, so once that front pushes its way to the south, we'll see that usher in that cooler air from the north. And how cool are we talking? Well, we're talking temperatures, as I mentioned, in the low 40s tomorrow morning, but those feels like temperature, when you factor in that wind, feeling like the upper 30s in some spots. So don't forget those jackets before you head out the door tomorrow morning. But we warm up pretty quickly. We rebound those temperatures already by Friday back into the upper 70s. Still a nice breeze out there with sun and clouds. And then look at those weekend temperatures back into the low 80s, beach weather, sun and clouds overhead, just a stray shower possible overall shaping up to be a nice end of the week.
All right, thank you very much. We're learning more about the suspect.